get a few shots at 47 yards in between all the bushes. Like I said, as you can see, it is windy, so I doubt I'm going to get perfect shots. Not with these ones anyway. So yeah, get a few shots, 47 yards. Shooting out the cartridge today because last time these pellets got stuck in the cartridge, so I'm just going to be shooting one at a time because I can't afford it to get like blocked in it again in the cartridge because it's a nightmare. So yeah, just going to be shooting one at a time. That one went well left. Yeah, there we go. Got the bottom one. I'm not even sure where that went, to be honest. But well left. Same place. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think I'm going to call that because there's no point. They don't shoot well at a distance, these. So yeah, I think I'm going to call it a day, guys, because it's freezing out here today. Oh. Yeah, so I was going to shoot it in that. There's no weight on it at all. Nothing. It wasn't getting that one.